Unlocking the mysteries of the lost wax process. A journey into artistic creation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting journey ahead as we uncover the secrets of the lost wax process, a fascinating method used in art and sculpture for thousands of years. Get ready to dive into the world of creativity and learn how this ancient technique is still shaping masterpieces today. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a student, or just curious, this video will illuminate the intricacies of this remarkable process. So, let's get started and unravel the artistry behind the lost wax process. The lost wax process, also known as Serre-Perdue, is an ancient method of metal casting in which a wax model of the desired shape is covered with a heat-resistant material. This forms a mold, which is then heated to melt and lose the wax, leaving a hollow space. Molten metal is then poured into this space, taking the exact form of the original wax model. Once the metal solidifies, the outer mold is broken away, revealing the metal sculpture. This technique allows artists to create intricate and detailed works, capturing every nuance of the original wax model. The lost wax process has a rich history, dating back to over 5,000 years ago. It was used by ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese, to create artworks and cultural artifacts. Each culture brought its own style and refinement to the technique, making it a diverse and adaptable form of artistry. The process was not only used for art but also held significant cultural and religious importance, with many statues and ritual objects being created using this method. 1. Creating the original model. Artists begin by sculpting their desired figure or object in wax. This wax model is the blueprint for the final sculpture and is crafted with precision and attention to detail. 2. Making the mold. The wax model is then covered with a heat-resistant material, often clay or a similar substance, forming a mold. This mold is made in parts to allow for its later removal. 3. Melting the wax. Once the mold is set, it is heated, and the wax inside melts and flows out. This stage is crucial as it creates the hollow cavity that will form the shape of the final sculpture. 4. Casting the metal. Molten metal, such as bronze, is poured into the hollow space left by the melted wax. It is allowed to cool and solidify, taking on the exact shape of the original wax model. 5. Revealing the sculpture. After the metal cools, the outer mold is carefully broken away, unveiling the metal sculpture inside. Artists then work on refining and finishing the sculpture, adding textures and details. And there you have it, the fascinating world of the lost wax process. From its historical roots to its enduring presence in the art world, this technique continues to amaze and inspire. We hope this video has shed light on the meticulous and awe-inspiring journey of transforming wax into stunning metal sculptures. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this has sparked your interest in the timeless art of the lost wax process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you next time.